You know, I don't have a watch on, but I know what time it is. Time to de-winterize and oil change. And you know what? You're coming with me. So, let's do this. Woo! Hey everybody, David aka RVJedeye, and the time has come to get some work done on the RV. Today we're going to go take it and get it de-winterized, and then we're going to get an oil change. Again, these are things that I can't do where I'm at, so I have to pay somebody to do it, and I'm taking you along with me for the ride. In addition, I'm going to look around the RV, just make sure it's okay. This will be the first time I've driven it kind of in inclement weather or cold weather. I mean, it is getting drier and a little bit warmer here, but you can still see snow on the ground, so I'm going to be extra careful as I drive it and get all of this work done. So first things first, have to take it over to get it de-winterized, and even though I was able to winterize it, I don't have the area now to de-winterize it, and then I'm also going to get everything checked. One of the things in particular, the propane. Remember I had an issue last year at Hartman Creek, so we're going to get that checked out as well. So let's hit the road. So I'm here for my first part of the de-winterizing. It's a Bayside Outdoor RV. I've come here a couple of times. They've done some work in the past, and when I called around trying to figure out who could do this, they offered a pretty good deal. So I'm coming back to them. I'm going to see how it goes. I'm actually going to have to drop it off here for a couple of hours, let them do their work. I'm going to go, I don't know, find some place to have some coffee or something, and then come back, pick it up, and then it's on to part two, which is the oil change. So let's go drop this bad boy off. So I have to wait for my RV to get de-winterized. It's going to take a couple hours. The only place close by was a Starbucks, and that was actually about a mile or so up. So I had to walk up, getting my Starbucks on, and just chilling. It's about an hour so far, so I've got to figure out how I'm going to kill another hour and a half. Okay, killed as much time as I can. Time to go back to Bayside, pick up the RV, and then it's on to the oil change. Part one of the de-winterizing and oil change all done. They did a great job here. I did the de-winterizing here and also had them do a 21-point inspection. They filled up all the tires, checked them out, all the treads look good. They checked the propane, everything looks good there. And just one little tail light that they fixed for free. So everything's good on this side. Now, off to get the oil changed. So it's going to take a couple hours to get to doing the oil change. So I'm actually going to Uber back home, chill out there, do some work, and then Uber back out here, pick up the rig, and then take it back to storage, pick up my car, and go home. So still part of a long day, but good thing to get everything done. Hey, just a reminder, if you like the content you're seeing here on the channel, please click and subscribe, hit that bell notification. That way, whenever a new video comes out, you'll be notified right away. Well, all of the big stuff is now done. Oil change is complete. Al Huss Auto and Truck, they did a good job, and they've also looked into some stuff for the future for me, and we'll space that out because it's going to cost some money. But for the most part, that's it. You know, everything is ready to go for the season, and I am just excited. I've got to kind of clean this up, and so that'll be for a later episode. But for right now, that's going to do it. Oil change, de-winterized, we're all set to go. Time to start dreaming about getting out there and actually figuring out when I can get out there next. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJedeye. And then, of course, you can follow me on the blog at RVJedeye.com. Get out there. Make sure your rigs are all serviced and ready to go. Some of it you can do yourself. Some of it you're going to probably have to take someplace. But whatever you do, it's all for the good of getting out there and RVing. Can't wait to do it. We'll see you next time.